Hi, this is Sharon at Bling Beach Glass Windows. Today I'm going to show you how to assemble a Beachcomber window. This is one of our hanging windows and it's simple to assemble. It comes with the frame just like it is here, the lid, the chain, two of the stems, and then two specialty nuts along with two pieces of glass. To start this procedure, you want to start with the nut. I'm just going to point out this nut to you. This nut has a raised section on the top, and that's the part that you need to go up when you're putting this together. These nuts fit right into the side pocket here, and then you take one of the stems, you kind of push it back all the way. You take it and you just turn, and it turns in until you can't turn it anymore. And then you just kind of make sure that it is connected to the nut by pulling up a little bit. Again, we have the nut with the right side up, the correct side up. And we place it into the side, use the stem to push it back, and then place the stem in, and then make sure it's tight, and then you pull up just to give it that little extra. The next step is putting the glass in. When I assemble these for complete, when they're together to go out for shipping, when they're not a kit, I always make sure that I clean my glass before I put them in. Just a lot easier to clean glass when it's by itself. And if you ever want to clean it after you've used it, or you think it's getting a little dirty from your sea glass, your beach glass, then you can always just pull it out that way too. The next step is for us to put the top on. And in order to do that, of course, you have to take these little caps off. You hold the stem, always hold the stem when you're messing with these caps, because you don't want to loosen the stem. And whenever I take them apart or put them back together, or I'm filling one of ours or something, I always make sure that I hold the stem, just for safekeeping. And you place your top on. See, it fits on so nice. Then comes our chain. Chains are, you can see they have a little raised area here. That stays up, the flat side goes down. Go to the other side, do the same thing. If you ever receive one of our Beachcombers or our Wonder Window hang, you'll notice that we put a lot of foam between this chain and the glass for shipping's sake, but yours will arrive unassembled if you purchase this kit. So there we go. We just make sure those are tight. They don't have to be super tight. And then you end up nice and sturdy. That is the Beachcomber window. Thank you and have a great day.